You are going to love the 2013 Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? And is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, chrome tipped dual exhaust, speed control, tire pressure monitoring system, four-wheel disc brakes. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.